Lots of bubble wrap. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications button so you know whenever I upload something new. So today we have this, and this is Cult Crushes. Basically what this is a monthly subscription box, and I can't remember how much it is. It's either $10 or $20. I'll put it all down below because I can't remember. But I'm really excited about this because it had a waiting list, and I finally got off the waiting list. I got this today, and I could not wait to open it for everybody. It is a monthly subscription beauty things. I think it might even be a little bit of fashion. I don't know. But I heard about it and I needed to get it. And so we're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what is inside. Lots of bubble wrap. First off, it smells like soap. So we're gonna pull that out first. Yes, this is what I am smelling. This is the Laundress Wash and Stain Bar. I'm not sure whether this is like a stain bar for your clothes or for your body. So we're gonna find out. There's a card in here that I will read afterwards. But there's this. It's a pretty good size too, so. And it smells really, really good. It actually kind of smells like fresh laundry, which is really nice. Something I don't know too much about. I hate doing laundry. Next we have Aura Glow Liquid Highlighter, Argan Infused. And this is from J-Cat, I think it is. And this is a full size. It looks like it comes in a dropper. So let's open this up and see what we've got in here. I always love a good highlighter, so I am all for highlighters and liquid highlighters. Whoa, oh, I can't get it out. Okay. Nope, still can't get, got it. So with these liquid highlighters, what I like to do is mix them in with my foundation. And that kind of gives me more of a glow if I want that dewy glow. So it's got the dropper. It's very similar to Cover FX or Alginist. Very pearly. It's really pretty. It feels very oily because it has the argan oil in it. Ooh, that's actually super pretty. Kind of digging that. I'm just going to dot it on my face a little bit. All right, I'm seeing you. You're there. It's not too shabby. It's actually kind of nice. I kind of like this. And it smells kind of sweet. I'm guessing that is the argan oil that I'm smelling. I've never heard of this brand before. I don't know if you guys have heard of J-Cat before, but I'm excited to kind of play around with it. So let's see what's next. Pure Pawpaw Ointment. Saves your skin as it smooths. Looks like it is a lotion with a really cute little like monster little guy on there. That's really sweet. And this is passion fruit scented. I almost said flavored. Not flavored, don't need it. With the summer months coming up, I can use this on my hands and my feet. My hands tend to get so dry and cracked. In fact, my nails, they look just horrible right now. So I'm going to add a little bit of this onto some of my nails and see how it works. It feels like almost like Vaseline on my fingers. It definitely smells like passion fruit though. So it helped a little bit. So it looks like we have a couple more things in here, and I'm seeing some brushes, but I'm gonna get those to later. This is one of my favorite products, the Bioderma, I can never pronounce it, micellar water. It's basically a makeup remover. I actually love this stuff. I keep it on my makeup desk dresser. I don't know what you want to call it, but I've got a huge cabinet that's just full of makeup. And I keep this right on top along with some cotton pads, and I can just wipe my makeup all off. And that's if I am too lazy to go wash my face. This stuff is like the best kind that I've been able to find. And it is by Bioderma. And I've gotten samples of this before in different subscription boxes. So I'm glad to get this big size because the other ones I got were itty bitty teeny tiny. Last thing we have is the brush set, and I love brushes so much. This one here, Sculpt and Blend Mini 2 3-piece brush set from BH Cosmetics. I always love getting stuff from BH Cosmetics. Actually just got the Festival palette and the Festival brushes when they first came out about a month ago. And I really do love those brushes. These brushes are nice. This one here is really good for the corners of the eyes. This is a good one for a transition shade, and this is nice. Oh, this is another kind of slightly angled one. And it's more of a flat than a fluffy. I can never get too many brushes, so these will go with my collection. You don't want to see how many brushes I have. It's almost embarrassing how many I've got. This does not have any prices on it, but that's all the stuff that you get, and that's the front of it. So we've got the Bioderma, which is this, the Laundress Wash and Stain Bar. That's the one that I wanted to know whether it was, okay, your wardrobe's new BFF. So this is for clothing stains. The mystery is solved. We've got the Pure Papa Multi-Purpose Ointment, J-Cat Liquid Highlighter, and the mini brush set. So those are all the things that came with it. I want to say this is $10. I'm pretty sure it is. But yeah, we got some fun stuff. I'm excited, especially to try the J-Cat Aura Glow. I'm going to definitely mix this in with my foundation and see how that works out. I have a feeling with the oil base, it's going to change the consistency of the foundation, but that's okay because sometimes I put jojoba oil in my foundation just to kind of change it up a little bit, and it goes on a lot smoother. So, so I'll definitely be trying that. And everything else I'm pretty excited about. So there you have it. That is the Cult Crushes, and you can get these at Ricky's, and it's Ricky's NYC is what it is. So you can get all this stuff from Ricky's NYC, and it looks like if you shop Ricky's NYC, you can get 25% off of all orders. I don't know if that is the code or if that's just a hashtag, but you can use it, see what happens. So very cool. Anyways, thanks for watching, and keep on lookout on my channel for more fun stuff. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications button so you know every time I upload something new. Have a great day. Bye.